Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. And you know what? Today is going to be a very interesting video. I'm going to teach you how to make ghee in a microwave. So let us begin. I've made this ghee an hour earlier. Let me show it to you. This is the ghee. It is super easy and it's going to save a lot of time and effort. So first and foremost, I want to show you how much of malai I have used for this. I'm going to put the malai first. I've switched on the weighing scale and I put the malai in here. 536 grams is the weight of the malai that I have taken. Now let me quickly pop this into the microwave. Remember to use a micro-safe bowl. I'm using this casserole here. Now let's start. Microwave power level, high power. This is high power and you're going to give a timer of 12 minutes. And then press the start button. Let it do its work now while you continue doing some other work. You just need to see the timer when it comes to 6. You press the pause button, open the microwave door and then just stir it. You can use a spoon with a longer handle or you can use a spatula as well. You can even use a wooden spoon. Just stir it once. You can even turn this turntable if that makes it convenient for you to stir. That's it. Now what you do is you're going to close the door and press the start again. After completion of this 6 minutes, you will just stir it once. If that is a little difficult for you, then you can just bring the casserole out. Please remember to use cloth or the pot holder while taking it out because it is quite hot, and then stir it. You will see that the ghee has already started to separate out. If the amount of malai you're using is around 300 grams, then this 12 minutes is enough to get the ghee. Now since mine is more than 300, it was around 530 most probably. So you give another 4 to 5 minutes. But before that, stir it once, break all the lumps that have been formed and then put it back into the microwave and give it another 5 minutes. That is all. I'll tell you how you will understand that the ghee is completely made. Let me show it to you once again. High power, and you're going to give a timer of 5 minutes and then press start. Let the microwave do the work now. Is just ready now. Open the door of the microwave and voila, the ghee is completely ready. You can take it out now, but be careful. Use the pot holder again. Carefully remove it from the microwave. Now I'm going to show you how you'll understand that the ghee is ready. Mix it with the spatula once and there Can you see that light brown color change? That is the indication that the ghee is ready. Now all you need to do now is let it cool. Once it's completely cooled, you'll transfer it into a glass jar. Remember, the jar has to be clean and dry completely. Pour it into glass jar by straining it. But remember to do that only after it has come to its room temperature. The ghee has come to room temperature now. I'm going to use this bottle to store the ghee. There's another recipe with this khoa. I'll upload that very soon. It may be in one of my recipe videos or even in my blog, so stay connected. Let me show it to you now. This is the one. Paranthas made with this ghee tastes heavenly. Just give it a try. I started using the microwave to make the ghee after the pain in my tennis elbow. Earlier, you must have seen earlier videos in which I used the whisk to do so, but that called for a lot of effort, and I found this to be much more convenient for me. So I thought, why not share it with you all? I hope this video will be helpful for all of you. Do give it a try, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Till we meet again, it's bye-bye.